There may be several causes of dark skin on knees, elbows, and other joints. These include accumulation of dead skin cells, friction, sun exposure, and post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Dark neck, elbows, and knees can be super annoying and very difficult to tackle. But don't worry at all, because I am back with some super fun and easy remedies that will definitely help you lighten these areas. So, without further ado, let's get started. First remedy is tomato puree and sugar. Take a couple of tomatoes and blend them to get a puree like this. No, trust me, this is not a recipe for pasta, I promise. Tomatoes are extremely effective to lighten dark areas. They are rich in various nutrients including vitamin C, A and B, sulfur, iron, potassium, phosphorus and calcium. They also have bleaching properties that make them a very good remedy for dark knees, elbows and neck. Now add some sugar to the mixture and mix it very well. Apply it on the desired areas and then leave it for about 20 minutes. Scrub it off and rinse with cold water. Now, the next remedy is turmeric, flour and milk. You may have already been told about the health benefits of consuming turmeric on a regular basis. It imparts the same result for your skin and beauty as well. This humble spice can be used to tackle skin problems, treat uneven skin tone, and even heal cracked feet. Take some flour and turmeric and make it into a paste using water and add some milk to the mixture. Apply on the hyperpigmentation and leave it on for about 20 minutes or until it dries. Run your fingers under water and scrub it off. It's time for the remedy number 3, orange juice. This is super easy yet super effective. All you need for this is an orange. Orange is a rich source of vitamin C which plays a vital part in skin whitening. The fruit also contains a fair amount of vitamin A that increases blood flow to the skin surface and makes the skin look fair, bright and more even-toned. The best way to use an orange is to squeeze it with your hands into a bowl and then using a cotton ball apply this mixture on the dark areas. Leave it for 10 minutes and then rinse it with cold water and pat dry. I am super happy with the results. So do try these remedies at home and share your experience in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye guys.